Minsan may mga araw talaga na parang tinatamad ka. Yung ayaw mong gawin morning routine mo or minsan pa nga pati yung daily routine mo talaga. This is the problem that I experienced on my Project 50 journey. The very important thing talaga is to not procrastinate on important things. If you do, try to remember why you started this journey and also think about the new things that you're going to learn and experiences that you're going to gain on this journey. So don't miss the opportunity while it's still there. Like now, there's no classes, so there's also no excuses. Don't be negative thinking na kulang ka sa resources. Bro, someone is out there trying his best to reach his full potential with whatever resources they have. No one's gonna carry you. No one's gonna be there for you to reach your limit if you and yourself are not trying to improve. Kaya dapat din isipin mo na bawat maliit na hakbang na ginagawa mo ay may malaking epekto sa huli. Consistency is key, bro. Keep pushing kahit na maliit na progress lang yan. Kasi in the long run, makikita mo din ang resulta ng effort mo. Remember, walang madali sa simula, pero lahat ng hard work mo magbubunga din. Keep the grind going.